Okay, to make a tool that might just clean out a plug in a holding tank, you need a 5-foot stick of 3/8 inch plumbing tube. This is a hot or cold marked 10-foot stick, 3/8 by 1/2. Here we go. 5-foot stick of that. A reducer. This is a 3/4 inch female hose thread to 3/8 inch inside diameter to put onto the end of the stick, and a shutoff valve. With these three things you can clear a lot of pyramid plugs and a few plug tanks if you do it right. In order to connect the hose end to the pipe, you have to take and soak the first 2 or 3 inches of the pipe in boiling water for a minute to soften this up, and then just feed the barbed end right on. It will work with a hose jet the same way. You can get those for a buck at some of the garden supply stores. Just that little hose jet that screws on the end to build up the stream pressure. But heat this up right here, about the first 2 or 3 inches, and force it into the barb jets, and it will not come off. Okay, once you've got it sitting in the hot water for a while, by holding it in boiling water for a little bit, the ones from Home Depot are actually a little bit lighter than the ones from Lowe's, and they heat up a little bit. They're more opaque than this white, but they both work. What you do is take and work it on there, force it on, and once that goes on, it is not coming off. Okay, just feed it right under there, force it on, and it won't come off. Okay, that's what it looks like when it's all done, and that will not come off. The hose has enough flex in it to shut all the way down to the bottom of the fifth wheel. Okay, we just cleaned out the tank. There was a pyramid plug right here, and I'm going to show you how to do it again using the system that we've already built. This is my version of a Johnny Chalk. It's just a pipe that holds the valve open. We put it in there, then we shove this down in, and we know this is going to be about 5 or 6 feet down. There's the first bend. Now I've gone down. Now I'm in the bottom. I'm all the way in the bottom. Now I would have a hose turned on right here, and you shove that right through the clog, and you have the hose shut off, and then you turn the hose on and off, and slowly draw it back up with the hose on. And for the same reason that the water won't go out, it will not come back up at you, because it's going to blow everything away from the opening, and all at once, if this were full of water, you just go rushing right out. And it works like a charm if it hasn't been set up and real hard cement type stuff from using the chemicals. So it's just very simple. Just bring it in, find the first pin, pop it down. There's the bottom, pop it. Now it's out into the open tank. You turn the water on, turn this water on here, and slowly draw it back up. You can twist a little bit and make it work, and it will clean that tank out and blow it away. So it's called the pyramid plug that's in these things, and it'll clean them right up.